Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to another video. Today we're back with another quick and easy dinner idea. As you can see, dinner will be ready in 30 minutes. I have my corn, that's fresh corn off the cob. I have some black beans and I'm gonna have some rice. I'm cutting up my chicken. I'm doubling the recipe so I'll have way more chicken than you would need for one box. I'm not sure if it looks like I'm cutting on my counter, but I'm not. My cutting board is glass. You do not have to add anything else, but as you can see in my other videos, this is my favorite seasoning, so I just decided to add a little. Okay, my chicken is done, and honestly, the chicken is the longest part. So let's assemble our bowls and burrito. My daughter asked for burrito, and guys, I overstuffed this burrito way too much. This is the queso it came with. So delicious. Another thing, Mexican cheese. I don't have any right now, but my other bowl, that took it to another level. And here's my bowl. I like to mix mine up. Do you guys like to mix your bowls up? And here's her burrito. And guys, we did it. Dinner in 30 minutes. You can't beat it. Thanks for watching. Bye.